Welcome to Magitudes. Here's how to invite people to your Discord server. First, click on the down arrow next to the server's name. And then choose Invite People. From here you can either invite Discord friends to this server, or you can use a server invite link that you can send to a random friend, be it someone on Discord or also a friend that has never used Discord before. If you do use a server invite link to send to a friend of yours, what you need to know is that these links usually do expire. So if you just copy this link here, for example, it will actually expire after 24 hours. However, you can create invite links that will never expire. Just go to Edit Invite Link and under Expire After, select Never. Alternatively, you can also create links here that expire after 30 minutes or let's say 12 hours. Then just simply click on Generate a new link. You can paste this link everywhere, maybe on Facebook, Instagram, or also when writing an email to someone. Now, the last thing that I would like to mention about inviting people to a Discord server is that the procedure that I just showed you actually works on any server. Linguaholic is my personal server, so when I click here on that down arrow, I can invite people from here. However, let me just head over to another server that I don't own, this TrueMLG's Pro Dungeon server, for example. And there I can do exactly the same. Just click on that down arrow next to the server's name and choose Invite People. And now I can invite people to my friend's server like that as well. If you are on a mobile phone, simply open up Discord. Then click on the three dots next to the server's name, scroll down, and then choose Invite. Now from here you can either invite one of your Discord friends or you can use the invite link to send that to anybody that you would like to. To change the expiration date of the share link, just click on the gear symbol and then adjust the settings to your liking. If you did indeed enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel and I hope to see you soon. Have a great one, guys. Bye.